Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I'm Dee and this is how Dee does it. Today I'm gonna be unboxing Notpolish extra large and medium mystery box. This is my absolute favorite time of year. I love buying mystery boxes, but I love buying Black Friday mystery boxes. It's like a win-win for me. Last year I did go on the website and try to purchase an extra large. I'm glad things didn't work out for me last year because this year's boxes seem so much better, and I was pleasantly pleased with everything that I purchased this year. All right, so the first thing I love about their boxes, of course, is the packaging. Everything was packaged with love and care. I did not have any spillage. Even the inside of the boxes that are in the box are packaged with love and care. So thank you, Notpolish, for taking the time to add your beautiful pink heart package peanuts, and even in the polishes for stuffing them down inside the polishes so nothing breaks. That's a little extra touch that I really appreciate from them. All right, so I think I'm going to start by showing the medium box. And like I said, both boxes were, I just could not wait to get them. I looked at the spoilers and I was still surprised when I opened up the box because of everything that I received. None of my acrylics were the same from last year, and only two of my polishes were the same from last year. So I was super excited about that. I think I'm even more so excited because I haven't been using acrylics. I've only used them maybe once or twice. But now I do want to start using acrylic. My daughter wants to have acrylic nails, but she likes my press-on nails just the same. But she does want acrylic nails. And I don't mind the smell. Even though I bought those peach drops from Notpolish, they don't, to me, take away the smell. I still smell it. But I don't mind acrylic smell. I don't mind gas smell either, but I'm just saying. So as soon as my camera focuses, the first one out the box was Milky Way. It's OG 125, and this actually was in all three acrylic boxes this year. The next color was Fire It Up, and this one was OG 120. I'm going to swatch everything in a separate video probably because it's a lot. The other one is Second Nude OG 139. This next one is called Sweet Tooth. I am so interested to see how all of these colors are looking. And I'm excited about the nude that came in there as well. The next one is My Soul Was Dark. I have got to see what this looks like. And then the final one that came in this set was Rose Gold. I'm ready. I'm ready. All right, so the next thing out the box is the Glossit, and I just started using their top coat, and I'm a fan already. And then next we have some extra long coffin tips. They have C curves on them, so I don't know if I'll use these or not. The next thing was a pigment palette, and one came in the medium box and in the extra large box, so I'm not gonna open it up until the next box I open, I think. And then we had the duo nail polish or nail lacquer and gel polish kits. I'm actually gifting the nail polish to another content creator because I don't use it. I only use gel polish now. All right, so the first nude was OG 149, and that peachy color is OG 190. I'm glad to have some base colors in the collection. You can always use those. This one looks like it's a minty green, and it's called Azure. And I got this last year, but I guess the formula was tweaked a little bit because it's two different colors from last year to this year. The other thing I was really happy about was that they gave me so many glitters. I love glitter. It's a whole vibe all by itself. And this one is OG 109. The next one is, I thought it was the same one that I received last year, but it wasn't. The one that I received last year was like a blurple color. Like you couldn't tell if it was blue or purple. This one was OG 122, and that one is definitely blue. And then this next one is Baby Girl. It's OG 159. It's a very light blue as well. I love the fact that they gave me so many winter like colors, but could also be spring colors. Like I was so happy, y'all. I love this box. It was well worth it. The next thing out the box is monomer, and I'm gonna need lots of it. So I actually got this bottle and like a whole larger bottle in the extra large kit. You'll see, so I have lots of monomer to start me out. And plus, I have some other monomers that I've purchased here and there. The next item out the box was this black gel liner, and when I opened it up, it was a little thick, and it also, the brush was bent on it. So the other gel liner kits actually comes with extra liners, so I'm going to try to just put one in there. And if not, it's not a big deal. Anytime your brushes get frayed or bent up looking like that, you just put them in some hot water and they should come back to life. So it's not a big deal. All right, and the last thing that was in the box was some matted, and I really like their matte top coat. It doesn't feel weird, like velvety. I don't know how to explain it, but it has a good texture to it. So I'm going to put all these things back, and then I'm going to open up the extra large box, so I'll be back in a minute. So this year the boxes were 4 sizes: small, medium, large, and extra large. The small was $49 for $150 worth of product. The medium was $100 for $300. The large was $300 for $750, and the extra large was $600 for $1,500 worth of product. So the first thing out the box was this essentials kit, and as you can see, I mean, look at that. They stuffed peanuts down in there so that the bottles wouldn't rub up against each other or break while packaging. Like, that's such a nice touch. This one came with a variety of things that you would need every day. The first thing out was the matted. It came with another top coat. And then it came with the Triple X Bond, which is an acid-free primer. It came with the Blossom Gel, which I needed another one, so I'm excited about that. And also Transfer Gel. I'm always on the hunt for a good foil gel. So I hope this one is the bomb. Yeah, I'm excited about that. And next we have the disco liners, and I like their disco liners, so I was excited about that. And I just had to run and check to make sure that I didn't have the same ones, and I don't. So yeah, win-win for me. So I'm just going to open up the box and give you a quick look, and then I'll bring you in so that you can get a better look at these. They are nice and snug in this box. Again, just top notch on the packaging. I just grabbed one of these just to look at it and look at the name. Kind of crazy. Yes, I am, just a little bit, but look at this beauty. Like, I don't even know if you can see all the sparkly insides of it, but it is a beautiful pink, and I love it. The next thing out of the box I was excited about is this Lux Pro rechargeable nail file, and also the Lux Pro rechargeable LED lamp. I am excited for both of these items. I did not open them up because I'm not ready to use them at this moment. Again, here's the other monomer that we received in that package. And then the next thing that we received was a ginormous milky white. Oh, no, I'm sorry. That one was clear acrylic, and a ginormous nude panther, which I'm really excited about that because you can do so much with nude acrylic. The next thing out the box was these extra long 9C curve square tips, which I probably would use those over the C curve coffin tips, but hey, we'll see. The next thing out the box was this ST07 Tilling Hearts sparkle. I'm not sure what this is, and I tried to look on the website and it doesn't really say if it's acrylic or what, so we'll see. But it looks like everybody did have that in their boxes. The next thing is this sculpted, which you can use to make 3D designs, so I'm excited about receiving that. The next thing out the box was this art liner brush, and it's one on each side. They look very thin, like they're fine liner brushes. I have to look it up on the website just to confirm. But I saw this was in several people's boxes, and I'm always excited to get a new brush. To me, it feels like you can never have enough of them, just because they serve so many different purposes. So we're getting down to the end of the box, and the next thing out is more gel nail polish duos. This one is 181. This purple color I received last year, OG 176. It's a beautiful glitter, so I'll give both of those away. The next one is OG 193. It's like a gunmetal or a black glitter. This gold glitter is OG 171. And then the next one is OG 179. I had several pinks and several blues, so I appreciated the color variety. This rose gold color is OG 172. Those are all beautiful. And then the next thing out the box was this pigment palette. It comes with 16 colors, and you can use them to ombre, and it has 4 colors in there. There are actually chrome powders, so a lot you can do with this pigment palette. I actually like nail art and palettes, and I like the cream pot gels so that I can take them on the road if I need to. The next thing out are some more gel polish and nail lacquers. This one is Dragon Slayer. I love that name. It's M112. The next one is Brazzy, and it's M114. I like that color pink. It's like a cream nude pink. It's pretty. It's fall. I'm actually going to do a set with those. I love that color. And then this one was M024. And I love the hollow in that. It's called Bear With Me. That was a beautiful gold polish. The next one is Fiesta Siesta, and it's M019. And then the last two is Cherry Blossom, M089. And this one, the last one didn't have a name, M127. And I'm sorry, I forgot to show you that bottle. It was so much that I actually unboxed today and recorded, so I will get swatches done in the next video. Today I just wanted to actually just get the video out and get my voiceover done. So the next thing that we have are more gel colors. Again, Milky White OG 101 came in every box. The next one was another nude Sweet Autumn. And then followed by Jet Life. I love that name. And then the next one was Pleasure, followed by Wild Dream and Sunkiss. I like the fact that I got a yellow. So yeah, I was really excited about that. And then one more for the last one is another 6 acrylics. This one, I thought it couldn't get any better. I got 2 yellows in this one. So I got Ex-Boyfriend M70, which I actually have that gel polish from last year. So I was super excited. Okay, again, OG 101 Milky White. This one is called Royal at Midnight. Followed by Free Soul M27. My Ex-Boyfriend M70. This yellow is Dreamcatcher M16. And the last one is Hot Tamale. I cannot wait to swatch these. Thank you all for hanging in there with me to unbox both of these. mystery boxes. Unfortunately, all of the mystery boxes are sold out on the Notpolish website. So next year, Black Friday, make sure that you get in. I'm just going to quickly look at this nail lamp and take a look at the specs and see how my hand fits inside. And so before I go, I did want to just give a public service announcement. Y'all, I'm at 99 subscribers and I'm so excited because one more subscriber and I'll be at 100 subscribers. I started my YouTube channel last year just to watch my growth and my potential in doing nails, and I'm excited about my journey so far. So if you're that number 100, I just want to say in advance, thank you so much for getting me where I am. 2024, I plan on posting more consistently and more often. It is a struggle having a full-time job, and then I have a new grandbaby, and to try to do nails all on the side, it seems like sometimes there's just not enough hours in a day. That being said, again, I'm just asking you all to hit the like button if you're enjoying the content that I'm putting out. Again, if you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button and turn on that notification so that you'll know each and every time a video is posted. And leave me a comment and let me know, did you like the extra large box or the medium box? All right. So the nail lamp is nice on the inside. It has lights all around. My hand fits inside of it, and I think if you have long nails, they'll fit a good 2 to 3XL. So I think the lamp is good. It does have a plate that can go on the bottom of them. It is removable, so if you want to do manicure or pedicures, it does come with several settings on the outside of it. It comes with a flash, a 30-second, 60, and a 90 low temp button, on off, power, rechargeable. Yeah, it's pretty, and I'm so excited because I got a red lamp and a red rechargeable e-file. So yes, super excited. Again, thanks for watching. Have a good night, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.